Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. Without further ado, let's get to today's project. It's a big one. I'm sorry if I look like a homeless mountain man. I've been busy working on this stuff. Haven't brushed my beard or cut my hair in a while. So I'll show you what we're doing. We got our 3/4 inch rebar, runs the entire length of the shipping containers, 40 feet, two 20-foot sticks. And then we're doing 1/2 inch rebar every foot across the middle. And there's two 20-foot sticks that go through this whole thing, so they're connected right here. So there's the other one. And we've got 3 out of the 6 slabs, so we're 50% of the way through. It's exciting. We got 1 pallet left. So we've worked out that we use 1 pallet per slab, since we did pretty thick slabs, so they're like 4.5, 5 inches thick. And it was approximately 41 80-pound bags of concrete mix. So this one is still curing. Those 2 over there, we're still watering those. We're going to do that for a while. I am not a concrete expert. I do not do this for a living, and I have no idea what I'm doing, so all you armchair experts, you let me have it down in the comment section. I'm using the wrong color plastic, and I was using my left hand to smooth the concrete out while standing on my right foot and not spinning around. Probably using the wrong laser level. That thing's actually been key in this project. Because this shipping container is level and this one is not. So as we go along here, this top lip will start to get exposed, and that's fine because this will be framed in with 2x4s and no one will ever see that anyways. So the missus and I did this slab ourselves, just the 2 of us. This is 6'6" by 12 feet, so it's pretty big. I moved all the bags of concrete and she helped me spread it around out there. And then our good friends Mark and Heather from Bisbone Ranch let us borrow this monster. This thing has been also key. This thing is absolutely wonderful, the mud mixer. You just throw the bags right in the top. This blade splits them in 2. And you pull the halves out, toss them aside. And you can adjust your water right here. We're using an old sump pump, so it doesn't have the best water pressure, but it did mix the concrete properly, in my imagination. In 10,000 years, when it's cured, we'll be able to build on it. And we did have 4 pallets of concrete. We went through 3 of them, and we're going to do that one probably tomorrow. And there's our AB mix pile's almost gone. Rebar, we got just enough rebar to finish it up. Thanks to Dad and brother for helping us with all the plumbing and figuring all that out, because I have no idea how to do any of that stuff. But we got it figured out. And this will be our kitchen sink. Got our drain there, hot and cold water. This will be the range. It's going to have gas, but with the option of 240 volt. And then over there, that's the sewer. That is the vent pipe. That is the shower. And then this will be the vanity outside the bathroom. And then over there, hot water heater, hot water heater, water heater, washing machine, dryer. So this is going to be pretty sweet. This is a lot more space than we're used to. The shipping container is 7 foot by 8 foot on the inside because we built it out. And this space currently is 12 feet by 40 feet. So quite a bit bigger. And once we build this out, we'll lose 3 or 3.5 inches on either side too. So we're probably we'll frame it out long after the concrete's done. We'll hire somebody to spray foam the walls. And yeah, this will be our bathroom, washroom, kitchen, and our living room. Even though we don't spend a lot of time indoors anyways. But huge thank you to Mark and Heather for helping us out with this. They got a video coming out over on their channel because they poured a slab too, and I got to practice over there. So if you see any mistakes on theirs, oops, or alien footprints, So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down below. And as always, give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. I'm going to leave that little mistake in there.